Hello, viewers. Welcome back to Code and Communicate with Cluetech. Today, we are going to master one of the most important thing and the first question in our job interview, that is, tell me about yourself, or maybe introduce yourself. Right? Most candidates panic here. Mostly, if you are a student and you are going to for your first interview, right? So this question makes you little bit confused, like what to tell, right? So they either overshare in this confusion or simply repeat what's on their resume. But in this video I will teach you a step by step structure that makes you confident, professional, and job ready. Okay. Now, first of all, before this question comes, before that, you have to do some preparations. Okay. So it's like a general thing. Whenever you are going somewhere, you make some preparations. Okay. So, what are these preparations? First is understand what will be the interview process. Okay, this will help you to boost your confidence and readiness. Okay, basically you should know that what will be the first level, what will be the second level, what is going to be happen next. Okay, this whole process should be clear. Second, research the company to show your genuine interest. Okay, it will help you in some question also. You can relate the company's vision and mission with your answers. Okay. Third, always prepare thoughtful questions to ask. So this will help to show that you are very much interested. Okay, you are interested to know the company policies, the company upcoming projects, whatever the questions you have. Okay, so it will demonstrate that you are engaged, okay, and you are very much interested, right? So these are the three things that you should prepare before going to any interview. Now, first of all, always start with a professional greeting. Okay, always begin with a very polite and confident greeting. Okay, smile, but don't overdo it. Maintain eye contact and keep your tone warm. Okay, so like for example, you can say like this: Good morning. Thank you for this opportunity. My name is Mukul Tamrekar. Okay, so this is the simple thing, the first line that you can say. But what you have to avoid? You have to avoid the casual greeting like hey, WhatsApp. Always keep it formal and professional. Okay, even if you enters a room, you have to go very, in a professional way. Okay, don't go and just sit and start, okay, ask me question. Don't do like this. Okay, now second is highlight your key skills. Okay, so after you greet and give your then you have to give your background information. Okay, so how you can give your background information, like what's your name, right? And also mention your education, what is your current role, and always keep it short and relevant, right? So it will be included in your basic only, like you greet, and after that you give your basic background information, like I recently completed my BTech in computer science from Glutech Solutions. Okay, keep it short and relevant. Okay, or you can say, like if you are experienced, I have 2 years of experience as a Python developer at Glutech Solutions, where I worked on automation projects. Okay. Now, one more thing you have to remember, this is the tip. Don't go into your life story or family background. Keep it again professional. Okay. Now, next is highlight your key skill. Okay. Always choose two or three skills that matches your role. Basically, you don't have to choose on your priority, right? You have that key skill should match the role. Okay. Mention both technical and soft skills. Okay, it will be very helpful. Like, for example, you can say my strength include Python programming, data analysis, and I have strong communication and teamwork skill that help me to collaborate effectively on projects. Okay, so you can say like that. Now, after that, the next is showcase your achievement. Okay, showcase your achievement means you have to add your experience. Okay, but that should be original, that should be genuine. Okay, so back up your skill with proof always. Okay, you have to add the achievement or experience, but always have your proof of that. Use your project, internship, or result. Okay, for example, you can say that during my internship at Glutech Solutions, I developed an automation script that educate manual work, sorry, that reduced manual work by 30%. I also led a small team project in college which improved my leadership and problem solving skill. So you can see here that I am getting both the skills. For in first part I told them about the technical skill, that I have developed the automation script that reduced the manual work by 30%. In the second part I showed my soft skill, that there was a small team, and there I learned leadership and problem solving skills, right? So in this way you can showcase your achievement. Okay, now, next is connect to the role. Okay, so you told them about your basic thing, your background, your skills, your achievements. Right now, you have to connect your skills and achievement with the role company is offering. Okay, so basically you have to show interest for the job, the first thing, and the second, end up by linking your skill to the opportunity. Okay, for example, I'm excited about this role because it allows me to apply my Python and problem solving skill in real world project while also growing within a dynamic company like yours. So, like yours, right? It will give a great impact. Okay, because always remember, employer love candidate who show genuine interest. Okay, so it should be genuine basically. Okay, now last but not the least, common mistakes that everyone makes and you should avoid. The first, don't talk too for too long. Okay, keep it 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, or otherwise, like sometime happens, we start reciting our resume word for word. Interviewer always have your resume. They are reading it. They know about you. So it is a very, it gives a very bad impression. So don't recite it. Okay, that's why don't talk for too long. Keep it 1 2 minute. Second thing, don't include irrelevant hobbies or personal detail unless asked. Okay, third, don't sound memorized. Keep it natural and conversational. Okay, as I said, it should looks genuine. Okay, so If we see a simple sample introduction, it can be like, good morning, my name is Mukul Tamrikar. I recently completed my MCA from Bluetech Solutions. I have developed strong Python programming skills and communication abilities through multiple projects and team collaboration. During my internship at Glutech Solutions, I built an automation script that reduced manual work by 30% and also led a college project that was recognized for innovation. I am excited about this opportunity because it matches my passion for software development and give me the chance to contribute and grow. Okay, so this is a sample introduction that we can do. Okay, so I think these are the important things that you can remember, right? Now, uh, how you like that's how you make a first impression in interview. Okay, how you introduce yourself in an interview with confidence. But there is only one formula. What is it? Always start with greeting back, then you have to tell the background, then skills, then achievement, and why this role. Okay, so this is the structure: basic, skill, achievement, and why this role. Okay, so if this is helpful for you, then please like, subscribe, and comment below what is the biggest interview challenge you have. I will try to create a video to help you with it. Thank you.